Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 how to create a tutorial repository on GitHub on your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the GitHub desktop application, and a GitHub account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for GitHub desktop, click on this. And now we can create a tutorial repository. This will create a repository on your local machine and push it to your account, Computer Science Videos on GitHub. This repository will only be visible to you and not visible publicly. Continue creating the repository, pushing the repository, finalizing the repository. So now we can, or we already have installed a text editor. We have to create a branch, current branch, new branch. I'll just say desktop tutorial. No space. Your new branch will be based on your currently checked out branch master, which is the default branch for your repository. Create the branch. Edit the file, open an editor, Sublime Text, Command S to save, quit the text editor. That step is done. Now make a commit. A commit allows you to save sets of changes. In the summary field, in the bottom left, write a short message that describes the change you made. When you're done, click the blue commit button to finish. So, as a summary, I'll just say desktop tutorial. Desktop tutorial again. Now we can commit to desktop tutorial. So that itself is done. Now we can press Command and P to publish to GitHub. Pushing to origin. Fetching origin. That is done. Open pull request. Click on this. And now this should take me to github.com where the repository is. So create pull request. That is done. Go to Computer Science Videos. Now we see a couple of repositories on my account. Go to repository, desktop tutorial, which in fact is private. Click on this. And we have readme.md. Minimize Safari for the moment. Go to your dock. Go to Finder. Documents, GitHub, desktop tutorial. Readme.md is there. Go back to Safari. Quit Safari. Quit GitHub desktop. Or we can exit tutorial. Yes, we want to leave the tutorial. It brings us to the home screen. Quit GitHub desktop. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.